Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we learned how you can remove background in image in Photoshop, and today in this video we are going to learn how to use objective tool in Photoshop. Let's start the video, and if you not follow this playlist, of course go to description and follow the course. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Let's jump to the PC screen and take a look of objective selection.
First of all, open the Photoshop. If you do not know how to install this, follow the description and watch the video how to install Photoshop latest version for free. Now go to this last template that we have added in last video. Click on this and here you can see this is the selection tool, objective selection tool. Click this tool and look how easy to remove the background. Draw your picture like this and wait few seconds to auto select the object. And you can see here, very easy to remove background and very easy to select things in picture. Now I have some new samples here. Like this. I'm really sorry. Copy to this new layer. You can see here, if we draw this and if we need this circle, I select the objective selection tool and draw the square around this, and you can see it auto detect the orange and select the background, and Control C for copy and paste whenever you want. Now make a new composition, click on new and click on create. And change the color of this from here. Double click on this picture and go to colors, color overlay. Select your color from here. Click on OK and then click on OK. Now go here and Control C this and press Control V to paste this. And to adjust this size, Control T and adjust the size to hold Alt button. Like this. Click on OK. Let's have a look on another samples. Like this. If we need this Apple Air mouse, then we select the selection tool and draw the square around it, and you can see it's very easy. You do not need a pen tool to edit this, you do not need any tool to cut this. Control C and for paste Control V. To adjust the size of this, press Control T. Go back here and draw another square around this, and you can see, press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste. To adjust the size of this object, press Ctrl T and here. This first tool, this tool is main tool, is called Move tool. The shortcut key of Move tool is V. You can press V to select this tool. And okay friends, that's in the today video we learn the objective tool and how you use the objective selection tool. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Goodbye.